Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. We need to just press Windows key plus R key together to open run. So it will open this window. Once we are here, type mmsys.cpl and hit enter. It will open a new window that will be the sound properties, and here you will get speakers as well as microphone or headphone. So what you have to do, firstly we will disable it and enable it. It can fix this issue. If this not work, then just go to device manager, select it to open device manager window. Then we need to go to the sound, video and game controllers and right click on the particular device, go to its properties, go to drivers tab and click on update driver. Select the first option. Make sure you are connected with your internet connection and the best drivers will be installed automatically. This solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system, so it's not a big issue. Now go to search bar, type here cmd, right click here and go to run as administrator, select as. Once we are here, we need to execute some commands, so type these commands carefully and simply hit enter to execute them. Type in net space local group space administrator space /add space network service and hit enter. Now so in my system this command is not working, but in your system it can work and fix this issue. So don't worry, just keep executing the commands. So type net space local group space administrator space /add space local service and hit enter. Now type exit and close the command prompt window and simply restart your system. Problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be a better way to fix this issue. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.